hop on the train in the afternoon. I don't know when I'm coming back, but I hope that soon. See, I never thought that I'd have to leave your side. It's only physically, but know that you would be on my mind, baby, forever and ever. In my eyes, you mine. No matter where you go, I won't go very far. Into my head, I'll be right there where you are. Love is no distance, baby. Love is no distance, baby. No, not when it comes to you and me.
Nakaka-relate ka rin ba?
Control.
She wrote me a letter, said the weather wasn't better, but she said she was doing fine. And when I see you face to face with what she wrote to me that day, and I knew that it was all the time. So I wrote back with a song, promise it won't be too long. Wanna make up for all our time. Cause in my eyes, you mine. No matter where you go, I'll
Wait na ako dun.
Cause in my head I'll be right where you are. And love is no distance, baby. Love is no distance, baby. No, not when it comes to you and me. So I'm going through this process, my life gone off track. Cause it's been 3 years, she hasn't been back. But now
Uy, sakto 3 years yun ah. I-research mo na yung kantang to. Memorize mo na.
And I know it's not so stupid to go waiting this long.
Nakaka-relate ka. Ay, kontrolin mo, May. Ay, sa Twitter pa rin itong babae.
Love is no difference, baby. No, now when it comes to you and me.
Ang hot. Yay! Yay!